Hello viewers, today in this video I am going to show you how to fix your account is frozen. This is the problem. Let's start. First of all, open your Chrome browser. Now tap on search. Search here Telegram support. Now tap on support. Describe your problem here. Now tap on here and enter your full name. Tap on here and enter your Gmail account. Then tap on here and enter your phone number. Then tap on submit. Wait for a response time can be 24 hours to 7 days. And you can see solve your problem. Thanks for watching this video. If this video helpful for you, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.